guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to have like a Polish take on an enchilada. Now this is, like I said, a Polish take. This is not authentic. This is not the authentic way to make an enchilada. This is just the way that my mom made it one day, and it was so good and delicious. So we've been making it this way for a couple of years now. I do have like the way that I used to make enchiladas, and I still do make them this way, but this is definitely the Polish way, let me tell you. Like, not authentic at all, but it's really just as delicious and really worth your time trying. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Like always, if you like the video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate it over here. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now, because that means the world to us. It shows us that you're really enjoying our content. So, as always, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spent my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.